Hi everyone, this is Asuka Nails. In this video, I will show you how to file and fix downward growing nails. Downward growing nails tend to curve down as they get longer, which makes it uncomfortable and aesthetically displeasing. For those of you who want to do something about this, I'll show you how you can use a nail file to make these nails appear straight. Once you understand how to file them, you'll be able to correct even the most downward growing nails that seems like an eagle claw so that they appear straight. I'll be explaining it in detail, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. First, let me explain what downward growing nails are like. Downward growing nails are nails where, when viewed from the side, the tip of the nail is lower than the base of the nail. They are also called hawk nails or eagle nails as they grow downwards, unlike regular nails which grow straight. The degree of downward curve varies from person to person, but most people have index fingers with nails that tend to be curved downwards. There are many causes of this, such as genetics or frequent use of the finger's nail tip, which causes stress on the nail. If it is a result of lifestyle habits, being mindful not to stress the nail can help to some extent. But for those with a genetic predisposition, correcting the growth pattern is challenging. However, you can make these downward growing nails appear straight using a single nail file. I'll show you how to file your nail so that they appear straight. First, prepare a nail file like this. This is a cheap nail file from $1 shop, but black files or metal files you have will work as well. I recommended using a file with a grit size of around 180 for filing natural nails. The important part is the process, is how you place the nail file on your nail while filing, so I'll get into the details of this now. First, let's look at what is considered a straight growing nail to understand where it's straight and what the desired appearance should be. Here is a nail with a gel extension. This nail has been artificially extended, making it 7 mm longer than the finger, so it provides a clear example of the nail growing perfectly straight. Whether it's an artificially created nail or a natural nail, this state represents a straight growth pattern. In the nail industry, this state is considered a beautiful form. Now, what does straight mean in this context? It actually means that the nail is straight and parallel to the bone of the finger. To explain it in more detail, when the line connecting the base of the nail here to the tip of the nail here is parallel to the bone of the finger, the nail's profile looks the most beautiful. Furthermore, when extending the nail with gel, creating a gentle curve with the base to the tip of the nail, with the highest point around the middle, results in a strong nail in terms of the strength and impact resistance. This nail has been artificially extended with gel, and it has been adjusted to look nice. Now, let's take a look at my downward growing nails. Both of my index fingers have downward growing nails. The longer I let my natural nails grow, the more they grow downward. Referring to what I explained it earlier, the line connecting the base and tip of the nail is not parallel to the finger bone. Instead, the nail tip slopes down. The degree of this slope varies from person to person, but when the nail tip slopes downward compared to the bone, it's referred to as a downward growing nail. Now, I'll explain how to file these downward growing nails to make them appear straight. In the case of natural nails, you can't change the position of the nail's base. So leave it as it is, and you can choose your preferred length for the nail tip. The reason why your nails look even more sloped once you've achieved your desired length is mainly due to this area. So we are going to use the nail file to file down this area. When filing, use the finger bone as a guide. Place the file against the nail and file so that it becomes parallel with the bone. The part you will file away is here. Once you file away this pink part, the nail will look straight. When applying the file, place it snugly against the side of the finger and apply pressure from below, like when you are scooping. To prevent the file from moving in various directions while filing, move it back and forth from left and right along this line. When you finish filing away the parts shown in pink earlier, it looks like this. The nail, which appeared to be significantly curved downward before filing, now looks like it's growing perfectly straight. After filing the sides, you can shape the tip as you like by looking at it from above. If you file both sides following the line aligned with the bone as showing earlier, the nail tip won't appear curved downward, so you shape it to your liking. And that's it, you are done! Here's the before and after. The same nail can look this nice with filing a bit of filing like we are going through in this video. So please try it out. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.